We are in Maupin, Oregon, right on the Deschutes River. It's directly behind me. I don't know if you can see it. And we've been here for a couple of nights because it's just beautiful and peaceful. It's been a full moon, so it's been super, awesome at night. And my husband, you know him as Steve, well, he decided yesterday that it would be a good idea to cook 12 of the 24 eggs that he bought at Costco, because he likes to buy large packages of things at Costco. So this morning we're having breakfast outdoors. Too bad there's no smell-o-vision, because I tell you what, boiled eggs inside of that tiny little cupcake is not a good thing. You open the fridge and it's just like 1,000 farts got released. It's horrible. So we're having breakfast outdoors today. It's nice and sunny, a little chilly, but it's supposed to be 80 today. So our breakfast of champions is outdoors because I can't take that boiled egg smell inside of cupcake any longer.
Steve, what's going on, man?
Hey, man, we're just leaving you a message. We're calling to see how you're doing.
I'm upright. How are you?
Hey, every day above dirt's a good day.
Absolutely. Right?
We're on the Deschutes River.
Yeah.
Oh, pretty. It's beautiful down there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, that's where they filmed the movie True Grit with John Wayne.
Oh, really?
Didn't know that.
Little nickel knowledge for you there.
Yeah, there we go.
Uh-huh. That's pretty down there, for sure.
So we are, right now, we're headed towards Colorado.
To his parents.
To my parents. And then after that, we were talking with you about your health, and we were talking with Carlos about his health, and we kind of decided we're giving you guys both space.
We're going to go to Southeast Asia.
Right on.
Well, it's a new stage of our winterizing. So we have to actually disconnect all of our solar, and all of that is under the oven. So add a couple extra moments to this. Just take the screws out. I think I can reach everything without disconnecting the oven. Hopefully. So I'm going to turn off the solar panels. They just went. They're off. See if I can slide this without doing too much damage. Okay, so I'm gonna turn off. Inverter is off. Now I'm gonna. Breaker is off, and breaker to battery is off. So I turned off this guy, the inverter. This guy, which feeds out to the batteries. And then this breaker over here that feeds to the solar charge controller. And even better, I didn't have to disconnect the gas. So we like that. One thing I did do different this time, with the expectation, knowing we're going to be gone for months instead of weeks. We disconnected the battery in our smoke alarm, took that out. Then we pulled the breaker for the propane alarm. We stored Cupcake a year or so ago for an extended period of time, and some of the feedback from the storage facility was that there was an alarm going off inside of Cupcake. So probably it was the propane. When it's closed up in here and it gets warm outside, sometimes we just get a little bit of a funk of like plastic. and that'll set off the propane. So we pulled the fuse for that, battery for that. I think I've disconnected everything in here that could pull from the batteries. So it'd be nice to come back in a few months and actually start up pretty easy. Last night we cleaned out the freezer, so nothing left in there. We turned off the freezer yesterday afternoon, left the door open, let it defrost. We still have a little water, so we'll probably have to leave the door open. We've got just a few things in here. We're gonna steal them or stick them in my dad's refrigerator. He doesn't know it yet, but
Okay.
so I think we're good.